Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to fold this teardrop raindrop tunnel. See, like this. Here's the raindrop teardrop. Then here's the tunnel. And then how's it sticking together? You might be wondering why it's not sticking together when you do this. So yeah, when you fold it in half without making any folds, you could see here that you already have the raindrop or whatever. You already have the raindrop. But when you try to let go of it, it undoes itself. But right here, I know how to make some origami locks on it. So yeah, this is the best I could do for the raindrop teardrop one. And this one is actually quite better with the locks on it, instead of just folding it in half without making any creases. Yeah, honestly, this right here, the pink one is actually more better than the green one. So yeah, this one is with the locks on it. This one is with not. You could just, and if you don't want to make all the extra folds on it, then you could just put a piece of tape, get some glue or staples or whatever. And yeah, but that won't be origami. So I'm gonna show you how to do this origami style. So here it goes. So what you'll need is, okay, 6-inch kami. I'm using 6-inch double-sided. So first, we are going to fold in half. Don't make any folds. Try your best to keep it together like this. Make sure that they're aligned first, okay? And then fold it down like this. And it's going to be really ugly at first. I'll just do this on the table here. Like this. And here we go. So you can see that this is like where the lock is taking place. So yeah. But when you let go, it still undoes itself. But I'm going to show you how to make it a very sturdy lock, an extra lock on it. Then what you want to do is turn over, and then fold these corners in like this, and repeat. You're basically not making any folds in this model. It's just that you're making folds on the top, alright? So once you're done, and now, unveil. Fold, right, fold on these folded triangles here. Yep, like this. And then, let's see, we'll have it. There you go. So it sticks together, and yeah. And there you go. Here's the teardrop raindrop tunnel. And there's the extra locks on it. So yeah, show you what we done earlier. So we fold this strap in to double lock it. And then there you go. Like this. And then yeah. So you have the completed raindrop teardrop tunnel. So yeah. So hope you like this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next one.